I'm sorry, V. I wish I could help Harrison, but my engine's frozen up. I'm not going anywhere without a jump start.
Oh, dear. I'll let him know.
No one else can help!
No one else can help!
No one else can help! No one else can help!
Poor Harrison will just have to wait for the snow to melt. What's a jump start?
It's a way of starting your engine on a hill.
Could we help with that?
Actually, you could. I'll need a push.
Push, push, push!
That's it. Faster, faster. Now let go!
Woohoo!
Hooray! Now, I better go and rescue Harrison! Why don't you come too? Sounds like they're going to need all the wheels they can get.
Hoot and Toot are
Ready to scoot!
Come on, Chuggers! One last try!
Give it everything you've got! Aw, it's just no use.
poor Harrison. Don't worry, help is here.
Everybody, pull!
Keep pulling! That's it!
It's working!
Look, Hoot! We made all the difference!
Phew. Thank you, Koko. You're a lot stronger than you look.
You're welcome, Harrison. But
Listen, Koko, why don't we keep this little incident just between you and me?
I'll shoot out my super strong rope. Stand by. Come on. No, it's no use. My systems have shut down. Nothing's working.
Aw, but I wanted to save the day.
Where's our star? We have an hour before the light fades. Hurry up, Action Chugger!
I'll go and get help. Wait, there is one more thing I could try.
Huh? So close. Wow, that's a pretty impressive skill.
Really? I impressed Action Chugger. Wow.
Try again. This time you'll do it.
Look at that.
Good work, citizen.
Hold tight, Action Chugger.
That's it. Keep pulling. Chug-tastic. You're my hero.
Wow. Wait till I tell the others. What's that? No wonder your jet shut down. Look. Try it again.
Supersonic. Looks like I'm firing on all cylinders.
Cool. You can go straight to the film shoot.
Wanna come and watch?
Honking horn. Do I ever?
Lights, camera, action, Chugger!
Of course, Harrison. The right thing to do would be to drop one of your team to make it even.
Yes, I suppose that would be fairer. No.
Oh, this is a disaster. We'll lose.
Oh, no! I can't let my steam team down.
Will the team captains please shake couplers?
Harrison,
Speedy,
may the best team win.
I'm sure we will. Thanks.
Take your places. The Chugger War is about to begin.
Come on, Steam Team.
Good luck, Team Harrison.
On your tracks, get set, and pull!
That's it, Team Harrison. Pull, pull, pull.
Boing, boing.
Yes.
Boing.
Come on, Steam Team. Put your wheels
goes into it. Yes.
Breathe! Come on, breathe!
Come on! Pull harder!
Help is here!
Come on, Steam Team.
It's no use, Speedy.
Come on, Team Speedy. You can do it. In and out. In and out. That's it.
Come on. We can do it.
In
No!
and
Don't
out.
give up! No!
In and out. Gotcha! Ah, bumpers.
Attention, please. I'm closing all tracks until the weather improves. Oh, chuggers are confined to the depot.
This chugger is now out of service. Phew! I'll be glad to stay put. Huh? You.
Any sign of Hodgeby? I'm really worried about him.
No, Eddie, sorry, but I'm sure he's okay.
Whew, that feels better. Huh? Oh no! Ow! Oh no. Ouch! My rear end!
Ladies, gentlemen, and chuggers, welcome. I am the magnificent Mysterioso!
You're amazing, sir!
And now, I, the magnificent Mysterioso, will attempt one of the most difficult tricks of all time. The Vanishing Chugger!
Emery?
Allow me to introduce my volunteer. As you can see, Emery's wheels are tightly locked.
Ooh. This chugger is going nowhere.
Ooh, what do you think he's going to do?
Saw him in half?
And now, silence, please. This magic will require the utmost concentration. Chugger! Cadabra!
I suppose you left the apples at the hotel.
Uh-oh. Double disaster.
I'm sorry, Toot. Things don't go wrong when I'm in charge, so I'm going at the front.
No fair.
But I got in trouble because of you.
Oh, you really get on my rivets sometimes.
Oh, yeah? Well, you really wind up my wingnut.
Everything okay, youngsters?
Yeah, fine, thanks.
Super. Then I'll be on my way. See you later.
Bye. Yeah, see ya. Oh, I'm going at the front.
No, I am.
That feels better. Don't expect me to help you with your mistake. You're on your own.
Fine. I don't need your help anyway. Hoot is ready to scoot.
Huh, Toot is ready to scoot, too.
I didn't realize you were going for a new look, young walnut.
Huh?
You've gone green.
Huh?
Good for you.
What? I'm completely green. What am I gonna do?
Oh, no. Hoot and Toot must have mixed up the colors.
No, just Hoot. It's like he can't tell the difference between green and red.
Well, some chuggers can't, you know.
What do you mean? Red's red and green is green.
But to some they look the same. It's called color blindness.
Oh, no! I've been so mean! I've been blaming Hoot for something that isn't his fault.
Dr. Ling, I need to tell you something. It's about the booster.
Yes, I'm quite pleased with it. Look at Hodge go!
Honking hard! I've got to stop him! But I'm not fast enough.
Maybe I am.
Try, Koko. That thing is dangerous. Hodge could be in trouble.
Oh, no! Hodge! Wait for me! Hodge! I'm right behind you, Hodge!
Oh no, this is my fault. I should have told Dr. Ling about the problems with the booster.
Problems?
Yeah, like that strange thing with the wipers when... That's it! V, quick, tell Irving to spray Hodge with water.
Oh, okay.
Watch out, Irving! Sugar Sonic Hodge coming through! Hey!
Phew.
That was quick.
I've got the signal, Eddie.
I can see that, Hodge. You're gonna be okay, Hodge. What were you doing so overloaded?
I was worried that I wouldn't have time to think up my quiz questions. Now I'll have all the time in the world.
What's that red stuff?
That's molten metal. It's metal that's been heated up until it's melted.
Wowza!
Come on, let's go and look at the next stage.
What's it doing?
Shaping the ends of the axle so it will fit Hodge's wheels. That's it. All done. Let's go and pick it up.
Perfecto! Hodge is gonna be so surprised.
I'm really sorry you won't get to do the quiz, Hodge.
Yeah,
and I thought up some really terrific questions while I was waiting. Won't be able to use them now.
Hodge, Hodge, look!
A new axle? For me?
Yep, custom built, just like you.
I can't believe it! Thanks! I thought I was going to be stuck in here forever.
Well, we better get you back on your wheels. Don't you have a chug quiz to host?